Hey everyone, I just finished scoring your week 3 assignments. I wanted to film just a quick video to make sure that everyone was sort of clear about something. We had a little bit of confusion, I think, about what actually constitutes a peer-reviewed article. If you look in your book, and this is listed on page 49 in your book, it indicates that a peer-reviewed article is reviewed by experts in the field, peers of the authors, to ensure reliability of the findings presented. And so just because an article has multiple authors, or if they list other citations at the end, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's peer-reviewed, okay? A really, really quick and easy way to ensure that you are pulling peer-reviewed articles, and you may have a professor who refers to these as scholarly articles or refereed articles, academic articles. So those are some other words that you also may hear. Those are all sort of talking about the same thing, which is that these are peer-reviewed. But a really great way to ensure that you're only pulling peer-reviewed information is if you're on the Kent Library website, you're using those library databases. So when you click on articles and databases, we'll just use this first one as an example. These are the general databases. If you click on Academic Search Complete, here's the search area, and I'm just going to type in first-year college students as an example. You will see over here on the left, you can limit your results. If you want to make sure that you only are pulling articles where you can read the full article, you can click full text, and then you can also always click scholarly or peer-reviewed journals. All of our databases will have some sort of option like that. Again, it may say refereed, it may just say peer-reviewed, but if you click that, then it's only going to pull those scholarly peer-reviewed articles, okay? That way you don't really have to do the work. It's going to do it for you. And then you can just hit search, and it will populate your search, and you can see, like in this case, it pulled 820 articles, okay, just in this one database. So I just wanted to make sure that everyone understood what that meant, what peer-reviewed meant, and because I wanted to make sure that we were all on the same page. If you have any questions, do be sure to let me know. But I hope you all are having a great semester, and I've loved reading your work every week. And I know we're here in week 4. Once week 4 is over, you're a quarter of the way through the semester. So we're humming right along here. Do you all have a great one, and I'll talk to you soon.